How's everyone doing today or this evening, wherever you are? Well, I'm going to do a quick update here on my Carport Greenhouse. As you can see here in the background there. I think it's been about a month now since I've planted in there, and things are coming along nicely. I still have to get the sides all rigged up to roll up, but so far I've just been leaving the doors open during the day and night because it's been pretty warm. So that's going well. But here we go, the carrots are coming up nicely. I just kind of weeded in here the other day, but it's so weedy. Carrots are coming along nicely since we last saw them. Spinach, I'll be able to harvest probably some of it tomorrow, hopefully. Got some nice big leaves down here. And then as well, I put in a few pickling cucumbers in here, just where I had space, and I'll be doing that once I get more spinach cut up. Hackberry turnips, the flea beetles are all over them. They're just insane. I gotta figure out, I need to get some proper bug netting, I think, to hold them off, but at least they didn't eat them all before they got big, because I planted another row of hackberry turnips and they just disintegrated them. Got some tomatoes, more tomatoes planted in. My baby McScreens, they'll be picked this weekend for sure. Once I get some picked, I'll probably crop out the middle row here so I can get my tomatoes in so we can get them growing. So things are looking well in here. I've been watering every day. And like I said, when I planted these, they're really tight, close together. I gotta figure out the jang seeder, like I said, just so we can get a little better. But there's a little baby one in there. You can see him. Hopefully within a week I can start picking. And my Salanova is coming along really well. All this vine in here too. So this side is the side I planted last. And so it's coming along well. I just did some weeding, don't mind the grass. But this stuff that I put in just before the cold snap we hit hasn't really done a whole lot right now. Kind of stunted the growth being out here, but I'm hoping it starts picking up pretty soon. So there we go. So there's just a little quick update on the Carport Greenhouse, guys. Hope you like that. Let me know what you guys are all growing, how your gardens are progressing so far. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening!